Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Are you annoyed that your family members can see your location on Life360? In this video, I'll show you the process of faking your location on the app for both iPhone and Android. Let's go. Life360 is a popular location sharing app that provides real-time tracking similar to Apple's Find My. While these features are useful, many users also want to know how to fake their Life360 location on iOS and Android devices. But you can't change your location on the app itself. You need a tool that can help you do it without anyone knowing. This program should be installed on the computer, not on your phone. You can't download it like an app on your iPhone. Some apps say they can change your iPhone's location, but they often need you to jailbreak or root your phone. This makes your phone less safe. For newer iPhones, I really don't recommend doing this. And this method I'm going to share with you is safer. It'll take you to wherever you want, right then and there. First off, you require a PC to change your location. There are some software tools that are available, but some of them don't work well, and others cost a lot of money. I tested the most common software and found out that this one is the best. This tool allows you to change your GPS location on your iPhone and can be useful for a variety of reasons, such as playing location-based games, accessing geo-restricted content, or protecting your privacy. For a special offer, click the link in the description box to get a great discount on your premium subscription, as the free trial only allows you to change your location a few times. To start, launch the software on your PC. As you've noticed, the software offers unique features that make it stand out. And one thing I like about it is its ability to simulate GPS movement. This means you can not only change your location to a single point, but also simulate walking, cycling, or driving along a route. To use it, choose the Change Location button from the options. Make sure that you've signed into your account, and proceed with Enter. Connect your phone to your computer using a USB cable. Use either an original or an MFI certified cable, as cheap cables may charge iPhones, but they will not transfer data. The tool will detect your device. You might need to trust the computer on your phone. Remember that once you complete the setup, for the next time you don't need to continue linking your device. Simply connect to the same Wi-Fi for both your devices and you can change the location directly. Keep also the screen of the device unlocked, then tap on Next. From here, choose General Mode, as it is suited for most social applications. Next up, follow the instructions to enable the Developer Mode on your device. Note that enabling Developer Mode does not include any sensitive operation. This is only for modifying the GPS location. Once activated, you can now enter the address or GPS coordinate on the search box where you want to teleport to. In my case, I want my location to show that I am in New York City. Next, simply follow the prompt and click Start to Modify. Your location will be changed at once. All location-based apps on your iPhone will be changed to the fake location as well. If it doesn't, restart your device to apply the changes. The software has a lot more features, but for me, they are quite self-explaining, so I don't want to go into detail there. If you're done using it and want to go back to the real location, tap the reset icon on the tool, then your iPhone will restart without data loss. After setting the tool, go back to Life360 and check if the location has been changed. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.